Every 36 seconds, a car is stolen in the United States. And most thefts happen in less than 10 seconds, after which the perpetrator has access to everything inside the car. So, you have to protect your belongings, and this safe is the best choice. The manufacturer has come to an obvious conclusion. If you put an ordinary safe into your car, the criminal will simply take it, along with the rest of the loot. That's why this model is camouflaged as a booster seat. It measures 16 by 13.75 inches and is large enough for a 16.2-inch laptop. The safe can even withstand overloads in the event of an accident. The price is around $200, and the first deliveries are scheduled for March 2023. Fun fact: there are already more than 23,000 campsites in Europe. France leads the ranking, followed by Germany and the Netherlands. And the popularity of this type of vacation is so high that around 13% of all tourist overnight stops are organized in camping areas. And now, you can take camping to a new level with this system. The manufacturer modestly says that it's just a rooftop tent with some interesting features. Instant assembly. Just remove the lock and gently push the structure upwards. Reliability. Even with the tent installed, you can still move your car. And versatility. The tent is suitable for any time of the year. Inside, there's enough space for 2 people to sleep. The weight of the construction is 150 pounds. When the tent is folded, it's only 7 inches thick. It comes with a ladder and is priced at $3,700. Imagine a kitchen without drawers. Doesn't sound too convenient, right? But in the case of cars, many people don't even think about how comfortable their favorite truck would be if it had drawers. So, why not adapt this concept to the needs of all the people who regularly carry a lot of heavy stuff in their car? A system like this will make loading and unloading much easier. It's suitable for cars manufactured from 1970 onwards. Brand and model can be specified in a special form on the seller's website. The all-weather design is backed by a lifetime warranty. The most advanced model has a payload capacity of 2,000 pounds. The seller promises easy installation regardless of the model and a price starting at $1,100. We continue with an invention that won the Design Intelligence Award. It's a truck concept that simplifies loading and unloading without using heavy machinery, specially equipped loading ramps or other products, and at the same time reduces the number of injuries among cargo workers. In addition, this truck is much more convenient for transporting equipment and is relatively easy to manufacture. The platform and its components are scalable and customizable, which means that it's possible to build a much larger truck for the customer's specific needs. The Risk Racing team once revolutionized motorcycle transportation and created a system called Lock and Load. It was ridiculously simple. Instead of straps, clips were used to secure the bikes. The aluminium construction is very simple. First, special low-profile plates are installed on the truck, van, or trailer, and the clips are then attached to them. To adapt to different motorcycles, a ratchet system is used so that the load is distributed more evenly during transport, eliminating the need for wheel chocks. In addition, the bikes can be pulled closer together, allowing free space to be used for carrying supplies or equipment. The most advanced version can carry bikes up to 315 pounds and is priced at $280. The basic underbody protection system of many off-road vehicles is generally designed for a basic level of protection. As you can guess, that means that overzealous drivers can easily damage the oil pan or gearbox in very rough terrain by hitting a rock they didn't see. So, fans of unexplored routes should upgrade their car, for example with these kits from the ARB team. The key advantage of these kits is that they're not manufactured universally, but for specific off-road vehicles. They're made of 0.1-inch thick multi-layer pressed steel and cast iron, and the protection is held in place with countersunk bolts. The oil pan, transfer base, steering box, these and other components receive reliable protection against stones, stumps, and debris, allowing you to face new challenges with confidence. And as an add-on, you can install this set of lights, which the manufacturers advise using only for off-road riding. The lights are easy to mount, reliable, and look cool, although they cost $313. Would you feel comfortable on a long trip without your favorite beverage? You might think that there's a simple solution. Just buy one and hit the road. However, even a cup of coffee carries potential dangers. A spilled drink can distract you from the road, increasing the risk of an accident. Stories of accidents caused by spilled drinks appear regularly in the news. Enjoying coffee, tea, soft drinks, or anything else in a safer way is what the creators of this minibar are proposing. After 78 prototypes and a patent, they've created an exclusive product that will prevent you from getting your clothes or the interior of your car dirty, as well as preventing other problems. It has 2 containers for hot and cold drinks, is equipped with a lighting system, comes with an opener, and thanks to its compact dimensions, it doesn't take up much space in the car. Unfortunately, the team didn't reach their financial goal on Kickstarter, probably because of the price of $110. What interesting things can you do with an ordinary ramp? As it turns out, a lot of things. For example, this idea has even been patented. It's suitable for ATVs, motorcycles, lawnmowers, and other similar equipment. The best part is the S-curve design. The ramp supports up to 750 pounds and folds up compactly. It weighs a modest 31 pounds, so it's easy to install even without assistance. Plus, the set includes an adjustable safety strap for a total price of $190. Just realized I've been using mine backwards. Great ramps though, either way, writes a customer. What do you get when you combine a garage, a trailer, and modern technology? Something like this. It's an attractive option not only for private customers, but also for big companies. From a conference room to a car repair shop, you can arrange any kind of structure on this platform. Several versions are available. For a truck chassis or stationary, when unfolded, one version is 16 feet wide, enough for a pop-up store for example. Weighing approximately 3,500 pounds, it can operate in all types of weather conditions, and is also a great option for amateur racing teams. Sure, it won't look like F1 motorhomes, but it will allow you to store and repair cars. Fun fact, Jeep not only manufactures popular SUVs, but also outdoor clothing. In addition, the company has big plans for the electric market. Sales of the electric Jeep Avenger are expected to begin as early as 2023. Luckily, there are new products for those who prefer the classics. For example, here's an upgrade you can get for your Jeep JK. It allows you to carry more fuel or water, and the trick is in the ease of installation. The upgrade is compatible with standard hinges. The result is a secure mount to the side of the spare tire for carrying a 4-gallon fuel can, for example. The mount is compatible with spare wheels up to 33 inches and costs $120, while fuel cans pricing starts at $75. There are already more than 1.4 billion cars on the planet, and this number will continue to grow until it peaks in 2040. As a result, even the most careful drivers are often involved in unpleasant incidents, damaging their cars. In order to protect your vehicle from occasional small damages, for example in parking lots, these pads were designed. They're also very affordable. 2 cost just over $1. They're made of PVC and rubber, and the size of a pad is 16 by 2 inches. Several colors are available, and the design will make your car unique, the seller assures. The pads are elastic and water resistant, and the adhesive tape won't leave marks when removing or replacing the pad. Do you know how much trouble blind spots cause? According to a statistical report, they're responsible for about 70% of accidents. It's time to put an end to this. The creators of BSA, the first self-installed blind spot alert system, are here to help. The principle is simple. Special sensors scan the sides of the car, and if they detect a potential hazard, an LED warning signal lights up. The device can be installed in the rearview mirror. The system requires no wiring, is easy to install, and costs about $200. If the team can reach their financial goal, deliveries will begin around June 2023. They're very determined. We believe that this product is incredibly important to the world. It has to get to market, and we won't stop until we do it, reads the description.